Hey guys, Chung here. We are now at the Hollyland booth. This is the brand new Hollyland Mars M1 Plus. It's a 7-inch director monitor that is also a receiver, and it also has a recording function, as I can see here. And it records to SD cards, and it has actually quite a lot of functions, especially also for me as like a first AC or focus puller. This has like quite nice peaking, and yeah, it basically can get you all kinds of things that you need. And also it has like the different settings for focus assist, so you can change the sensitivity and also the color of the peaking. And also, of course, there's plenty of things you can see, like histograms. The other great thing about it is that you can have like a much more compact setup than having like a 7-inch monitor with like a separate receiver and also a separate power system. It's also like quite a nice compact design. Other thing I really like about it is that you can record on it. So it can actually become a VT monitor, so especially if your director is using this monitor, it can be directly be used to look back at the playback, but of course he needs to know how to record it. And it's actually very simple, just a big red button for record button and then a play button next to it. On the back here we have two HDMI, so one HDMI in and out, USB most likely for upgrades, and then also a headphone out, so you can also, for the director, can listen to it. There's also a DC in for 10 to 18 volts, and there are also a few quick buttons on top of here. So it's quite a nice 7-inch monitor, and honestly there isn't really that much competitors that has actually such a nice wireless 7-inch monitor, and it's definitely something to look for if you are a filmmaker, or if you are looking for something working as a first AC, have like a nice compact setup.